Hey everyone, it's Christiane and Sophia. I'm a Thermomix USA consultant, and today on our Thermomix Back to Basics class, we'll be showing you how to sterilize baby bottles and other glass jars for jam in the varoma of the Thermomix TM6. So the first thing we're going to do is add about 2 cups of water into the mixing bowl. For every 15 minutes, about 250 milliliters of water gets evaporated in the steaming process. So we'll be sterilizing our glass jars for 20 minutes, so you'll want to add about at least 2 cups of water into your mixing bowl. So once you've placed your water into the mixing bowl, you can go ahead and place your glass jars or bottles into the varoma dish. And go ahead and place them sideways. And then we're going to place them on top of the mixing bowl. So after you've sterilized your glasses, go ahead and remove the varoma dish and let it cool for 10 minutes before using. And that's how you sterilize glass dishes for bottles or for jam. If you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message.